everybody, I'm Jeannie from Dora Creation. For anybody that hasn't tuned in before, this is week number 5 of hints and tips for the iPhone.
Selective focus allows you to get creative with your phone so you can lock your focal point or recompose your images for a dramatic result. Now if you could open your camera app, let's get started. Firstly, we'll compose your image in the frame. Tap on the point that you want the iPhone to focus on. In this case, we're tapping on the label. If we tap on the building in the background, then the bottle is out of focus, the scene is exposed for the building, and remember, your attention is drawn to the sharpest point of the image. It's also quite easy to change the exposure. So tap and slide the sun button up to increase the brightness and down to darken. There's also another part, and this is actually quite fancy. It's long exposure and focus. So the long press the part F, the image, you want the exposure to focus and lock on. As with the wine bottle, in this case, we're going to lock on the label. It's easy then to recompose your shot, move the camera for best results. The focus and exposure will not be changed. Just one thing, be careful, you must remain the same distance away from the focal point. I love this feature, it gives so much control over the scene, and I hope that it was useful. There's going to be more hints and tips to get you creative juices flowing next time.
Are you starting to enjoy these yet? Well, you better, because there's a lot more to come. I could just keep going.